What's going on, guys? This show here from smartpassivelifestyle.com. Welcome to my real estate vid review. Now I'm here at the sales page of real estate vid, and during this video I'm going to be giving you a full demo and walkthrough of what real estate vid is and how you can use it to make the best out of it. So in a nutshell, real estate vid is a product that actually come with 30 done for you videos that you can use to actually offer to real estate agents as a service. If you don't know, this is actually something that is very in demand for each and every real estate agent. If you check on different freelancing websites, you see a ton of requests by this kind of real estate agents looking for freelancers to actually create videos for them. So the beauty part of this product is that you can literally use these videos over and over again, because you can just, all you have to do is to literally customize these videos, and they have a ton of tutorial on how you can do that. You don't have to have any video technical skill. So that's actually basically what the product is. So I'm going to be going into more detail. If that's not something that you are interested in, stick with me to the end of this very video. And I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you that want to pick real estate video via the link in the description of this YouTube video. If you click on that, it will take you directly to the source page, which will look exactly like this. So my bonus number one, I'm going to be offering you a step-by-step guide on how you can find your paying client, guys. Because if you have these videos, of course, going to freelancing website and set up your gig as a freelancer, waiting for a real estate agent to come and meet you, will literally take you time before you actually start getting return on your investment on this particular product. So that's why I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step guide on how you can find this client, and of course even the written text that you need to actually offer, that you need to actually write to them, because it's not literally anything that you can offer to them straight away. So there are some step-by-step guide you need to actually put into place in meeting this kind of people, because you know real estate, of course, there is a lot of money to be made there. So it's not a matter of joke. So you need to be as formal as possible. So that's actually that. Bonus number two, I'm also going to be showing you exactly 12 places where you can literally go and find 12 places that you can literally go and sell your services as a freelancer for a real estate vid. So you can literally go there, because there are a ton of real estate agents that literally go to these particular platforms and set up post a job. That is what is called post a job. So they will post a job, each and every person that think he can actually accomplish that project for them, then he can grab the project, bid. A lot of freelancers will bid on the project. Then each and every person that win on the project, the client will actually give him the job, then he will do it. So I'm going to be showing you 12 different places that you can literally find these platforms, and of course render your real estate vid as a service. So that's actually bonus number two. Bonus number three, I'm also going to be giving you a step-by-step guide on how you can find real estate agents on Facebook ads. Using Facebook ad. Of course, if you know, Facebook is one of the best place you can find local businesses, whatever you can think of, guys, because a lot of people are on Facebook accounts for almost billion login for each and every month, guys. So that's literally to tell you that there is money to be made from Facebook. And of course, you are going to be learning step-by-step guide on how you can run ads and find this kind of people, so you can render your service to them. So that is actually my 3 bonuses that I'm going to be offering you if you grab a real estate vid via the link in the description of this YouTube video. So now let's go back to the source of page. They say real estate done for you video, super pack, your opportunity to make recurring commissions that real estate agents really need and want. There are more than 2 million real estate agents and brokers in the US. This is a huge market that spend a lot of money marketing, and they need your services. Like I told you, this actually is a niche that actually have a lot of money, so there is a lot of potential for you to actually make money from this. So people are making 6 figures by simply providing video marketing service to real agents. Like I told you, I'm going to be showing you 12 different places where you can actually offer this as a service, your real estate vid as a service. So real estate agent need promotional material each and every month. So that's to tell you that even if you provide one video to them, doesn't mean that they are not going to come back to you forever. They will be using that video again and again? No, because they use that video for one particular project, they will definitely come back and request for another video to do another project. So that's actually how the business model works. So it's not like they will just grab your video once and they will never come back. No, there is money to be made. So introducing, they say you are going to be getting 30 done for you videos for real estate agent. To make it easy, we'll deliver these videos in 2 versions. So they will literally deliver this version MP4 format and PPX format, and they'll show you exactly how you can edit these videos. So it's not even, you don't even also have to actually buy any software to edit this video. They say we'll provide a tutorial on how to show exactly how to modify the lower third. You must have a PowerPoint 2013 or later on your computer. So this is not something of big deal. Of course, open the template, replace the logo and test and save the video. That's all you need to do in order to actually make this thing possible. If you take a look at this, I'm not going to play this, or let me just try and see if this one will play. This is one of the example whiteboard video for real estate. This one too, this another one. So there is literally
buying a home is an exciting and complex adventure. It can also be a very time-consuming and costly one if you're not familiar with all aspects of the process. My services can save you time and money, as well as make the experience less stressful. If you're like most people, buying a home is the biggest investment you'll ever make in your life. So whether you're buying a starter home, your dream home, or an investment property, why not take advantage of my experience as a local market expert to make the most informed decisions you can? So, if you decided to buy...
So literally, as you can see, these are some of the example of these videos, of course, that you can grab, that you can see as part of a real estate video packs. So that is actually that about this product. Of course, take your video marketing to the next level. For a limited time, you can get high quality real estate video for less than 60 cents, guys. Don't lose this chance. All you have to do is to click this yellow button in order to actually grab real estate vid, of course. So that is actually that my review on real estate vid, the video pack, 30 done for you videos that you can actually use for your to offer as a service to real estate agents. And of course, in addition to that, I'm also going to be showing you exactly step-by-step guide on how you can find this client, the website, also a website that you can go and render this as a service, also the Facebook training where you can actually use to find this client, and at the same time offer this as an advertisement for people to open an exposure for yourself as an agency. So that is actually that for my review on real estate vid. Don't forget to actually if you want to grab it, check the first link in the description of this YouTube video. So that's it for my video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.